Determine the line currents when the star connected balanced load with an impedance of 15 plus J10 ohms is connected to 200 volts three-phase balance supply in positive sequence. First, let us draw star connected load like this, and the value is given 15 plus J10 ohms. This is, we can call it as Z per phase impedance per phase impedance. So the meaning of balance is what? That means all the loads connected are of same value. It means balanced. So this and this all have the same value of 15 plus J10 ohms. It is connected to 200 volts. Now in question like this, if it is not given, if it is line voltage or phase voltage, it is not given. So if whenever it is not given, simply assume it as line voltage only. So let us draw. So I am taking ABC. You can take anything like RYB or UVW, anything you can take. So line voltage is what? Line voltage is represented by VL, and line voltage means it is between two lines. If you measure AB, it is 200 volts. From BC also, if we measure, it is 200 volts, and if we measure CA also, it is 200 volts only. But as it is three phase, it obviously will have a phase difference of 120 degrees. Now what we have to find? We have to find the line current. So we know that in star connection, the line current and the phase current both are equal. So please remember, in star connection, line current and phase current are equal, but line voltage is not equal to phase voltage. It is root 3 times the phase voltage. And where is phase voltage? We can represent phase voltage here. It is from here to here. VPH we can write. So we can calculate phase voltage. From here we get phase voltage is equal to line voltage by root 3. So 200 by root 3 gives us 115.47 volts. So phase voltage is 115.47 volts. And please note that you can also write this line voltage as VAC because AB, because it is the line voltage between between line A and line B. Similarly here in star connection, this is called the neutral point N, and we know this is A point. So we can call V phase as VAN. So VAN is equal to 115.47 volts. Similarly, we can write all the three phase voltages in positive sequence, that is VAN is equal to 115.47 angle 0 degrees, and VBN and VCN also magnitude will be same, only it will have the phase difference of 120 degrees because it is three phase with positive sequence. Now let us calculate the currents. We need to calculate the line currents. So we need to calculate where are the line currents. This line current, we can represent it by IA, this by IB, and this by IC. Now as we know, in star connection, phase current and line current are equal. So by applying Ohm's law here, we know V is equal to I into Z. So I will be equal to V by Z. Therefore IA will be equal to VAN by ZPH. Phase voltage by phase impedance will give phase current, that is equal to line current only, that is IA, amperes. Similarly follows with IB and IC also. Like this, IB will be equal to IBN by ZPH, IC will be equal to VCN by ZPH. Now let us calculate all of them. And they will be same in magnitude because it is balanced system. But again they will have the phase difference of 120 degrees each. Let us calculate. So IA is equal to 115.47 angle 0 degrees divided by 15 plus J10. Now for 15 plus J10 we can convert from rectangular form or from complex form to phasor form, that is press shift press pole, that is polar form, 15 comma 10, that is 15 plus j10 we are writing here. So press equal to, you will get in polar form, that is 18.02 at an angle of 33.69 degrees. Substitute here. We converted this into polar form because both will be in polar form and easily we can divide them. Please remember division and for multiplication it will be easier when you convert them into polar form, and when you have to do subtraction of or addition you can take like this form, that is this is called rectangular form or complex form. Now coming back, so 115.47 divided by 18.02, we are getting 6.4 amperes. And for angles it will be numerator angle minus denominator angle, so 0 degrees minus 33.69 degrees, that will give minus 33.69 degrees amperes. This is the phase current, this is the line current or phase current, both are equal in star. So line current is 6.4 ampere at an angle of 33.69 degrees for line A. Now similarly let us calculate for line B and line C, that is IB and IC. So IB and IC are also calculated similarly as we have done for IA, and you can see only the phase difference between IA, IB and IC will be of 120 degrees because it is balanced three phase system. So we can see IA, IB and IC magnitudes are same for all three of them, only there is a phase difference of 120 degrees. Now in this question if we want to find out power factor also we can calculate. We know that impedance, polar form of impedance is Z angle phi, where phi is power factor angle, and we have got phi as 33.69 degrees. So what is power factor? Cos phi is power factor. So cos of 33.69 degrees is 0.83. Lag. Why lag? Because this is positive, that is it has inductive reactance in it, or we can say that inductive reactance is dominating more. So if it would be minus, then it would be capacitive reactance, and this will be lead instead of lag. So this is plus, that's why this is lag. And also lag because current, you can see that current angle is negative, so current lags the voltage. Okay, so that's why also it is called as lagging power factor. So we have calculated IA, IB and IC. Okay, thank you.